folks, in this lesson we are doing Fontaines D.C Starburster, which I only discovered, as I'm sure some of you may have, through MobLand. It's an absolutely brilliant band as well, so go check them out. But I became a little bit obsessed with the tremolo part in it, right? So it's standard tuning, and tone-wise, you want a tiniest bit of grit to your guitar tone. Ever so slightly, right? That's just my amp, that's the Morgan MVP 66. You then want a tremolo for the main riff. At that sort of speed. Now I'm using the SoundLad Liverpool Sketchy for this. It's a superb tremolo. I've demoed it. Do check it out. And the first patch is actually what I created for Mark. It's Gimme Shelters. You know, all that stuff, right? But it's absolutely the right speed for this. And on top of that, I'm using a spring reverb, the Echo Fixed one. It's superb. Now the first guitar part comes in at about 39 seconds, and it's just this. It's very quiet in the mix, but you'll hear. So that was twice round of it. You play it 4 times in total. Then you got this awesome guitar riff which goes like this. Which is just superb. It's so addictive. Pretty straightforward stuff though. Hold on the D for 3 beats. 2, 3. Then you do the open A to the B flat. 2, 3, up to the C. That's the first time round, and the third. The second and fourth go. So you just got G and A. Then we've got the chorus, basically. Like that, okay? You do it 3 times. Sharp inhalation of breath right there. So once you've done that 3 times, the 4th time goes. So you just go to a rest a beat early for that 4th time round. Back into this riff for the next verse. And then you got these parts. 3, 4. So that slowly. It's quite staccato. That's the first bar. Second bar. Okay. 3, 4. 4. And then we go. So it's the same as the first bar, but you just do little extra pull off there on the next string down. And then like that. You just play that whole thing round twice. Effects back on for that fantastic part. And then you do this. And then there's a chunk with just singing. And then for the outro, you just play this 4 times. Like that, which you know already. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. It's loads of fun. Go play along with it. I've been playing it all day. See you soon.